Welcome back to MotoVerge, the channel where passion meets performance, and where we bring you the most exciting rides of tomorrow before anyone else. If you're a motorcycle lover who craves adrenaline, suspense, and those little secrets that make a bike truly special, then stay with us till the end. Because today, we're about to dive deep into the brand new KTM Duke 160-2025. And trust me, if you miss even a second of this video, you'll miss the kind of valuable information that could change the way you look at this machine forever. Now, let's step into the world of the Orange Beast, a motorcycle built not just to ride, but to thrill. The KTM Duke series has always been about aggression, raw power, and that unmistakable naked Streetfighter presence. But this new 2025 Duke 160 isn't just another update, it's a statement, a warning to its rivals, and perhaps, the boldest move in the entry-level performance category. The first thing you notice is its design. Razor-sharp bodywork, inspired by its bigger siblings like the Duke 390 and Duke 790, but refined into a compact package. The new LED headlamp looks like the eyes of a predator, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The tank shrouds are muscular, and every angle screams aggression. You don't just see this bike, you feel it staring right back at you, daring you to take control. And if you think this is just another beginner's bike, think again. KTM has designed this machine to turn heads, break stereotypes, and deliver thrills that feel far beyond its displacement. But design is only the beginning. What really matters is the heart of the machine. Nestled inside is a brand new 160cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. KTM has tuned it for high revving excitement while keeping that signature Duke punch intact. The numbers are impressive for this class, expect around 18 to 19 horsepower, which might sound modest on paper, but when paired with KTM's lightweight trellis frame, it transforms into a rocket on two wheels. Acceleration is instant, the throttle response is razor sharp, and the way this engine climbs through the revs will leave you grinning every single time. And here's where suspense builds, because this bike isn't just about speed. It's about control. KTM has equipped the Duke 160 with WP upside-down front forks, the same DNA you see in higher-end Dukes. That means precision, stability, and handling that feels like you're riding on rails. And at the rear, a monoshock that keeps the bike planted even when you push hard into corners. The brakes, a disc setup with dual-channel ABS, offering confidence whether you're slicing through traffic or attacking your favorite twisty road. Now think about this. Most motorcycles in the 160cc category are designed for commuting with just a sprinkle of performance. But KTM has flipped that formula. The Duke 160 is performance first, with commuting as a side effect. It's like buying a ticket to a roller coaster ride that you can take every single day. And if you're still wondering whether this bike is built for you, remember this: KTM builds machines for those who crave emotions, not just transportation. The 2025 Duke 160 also doesn't compromise on modern features. Full digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and even call and music notifications. This is the kind of tech you'd expect in bigger bikes, but KTM knows today's riders demand more. Even the ergonomics are finely tuned: upright seating, wide handlebars, and a seat that balances comfort with sportiness. Whether it's a short city sprint or a weekend ride out of town, the Duke 160 adapts to your mood. But let's talk about the real reason you clicked on this video, the suspense that keeps your heart racing. Price. Because everything I've said so far sounds like it belongs to a premium machine. And yet, KTM is aiming to shock the market by offering the Duke 160 at a price point that competes directly with everyday commuters. Imagine walking into a showroom expecting a plain 160cc motorcycle, and instead, finding a baby Duke waiting for you, with all its aggressive DNA and unmatched performance. And here's the thing: if you clicked away before this moment, you would have missed one of the most valuable pieces of information. The KTM Duke 160 2025 could be the ultimate game changer in its segment. It's not just a bike. It's KTM's way of saying, performance belongs to everyone. So as you let that thought sink in, ask yourself, are you ready for a motorcycle that doesn't just move you from one place to another, but moves your very soul? Are you ready for a machine that gives you the thrill of big bikes, packed inside a compact, affordable, and aggressive package? Because the new Duke 160 is waiting, and it's waiting for riders who refuse to settle for ordinary. This is MotoVerge, and we've only just scratched the surface of what's coming. Remember, if you miss our videos, you'll miss the most valuable insights into the machines that are about to redefine the roads. Stay tuned, stay passionate, and above all, stay ready to ride.